We all know the excitement of setting New Year's resolutions, but sticking to them is a whole different challenge. In today's video, we'll show you how to not only start new habits, but also keep them for the entire year of 2025. We'll cover practical tips and strategies to help you stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and make lasting changes. Whether it's fitness, diet, or personal growth, we've got you covered. Let's make 2025 the year you finally stick to your resolutions. To build lasting habits, it's essential to understand how habits work. Habits are formed through repetition and reinforcement. When you repeat an action consistently, your brain rewires to make it automatic. This process involves the basal ganglia, a part of the brain that plays a key role in habit formation. Studies show that it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit. By understanding the science behind habits, you can create strategies to make your resolutions stick. Remember, consistency and patience are key to turning a resolution into a lasting change. The biggest mistake people make is setting goals that are too big. Start small. Break down your resolutions into micro habits, manageable actions you can easily fit into your day. This will give you momentum without feeling overwhelmed. For example, if your goal is to read more, start with just 1 page a day. If you want to exercise, begin with a 5-minute walk. These small steps are easy to achieve and build confidence. Another micro habit could be drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning if you want to stay hydrated. Or, if you aim to meditate, start with just 1 minute. By incorporating these micro habits into your daily routine, you create a foundation for bigger changes. Over time, these small actions compound, leading to significant progress without the stress of large, daunting goals. It's easy to get discouraged when you slip up, but remember, consistency matters more than perfection. If you miss a day or two, don't give up. What matters is that you keep going. Think of your journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions add up over time. Set reminders to keep yourself on track. Write down your progress in a journal. Celebrate your small wins along the way. These steps will help you stay motivated and focused. Remember, it's not about being perfect every day, but about making progress over time. Keep pushing forward and you'll see the results. Even with the best intentions, obstacles can arise when trying to stick to new habits. Common challenges include lack of time, loss of motivation, and unexpected life events. But don't worry, there are practical solutions to overcome these hurdles. First, prioritize your habit by scheduling it into your day, just like any other important appointment. If time is an issue, break the habit into smaller, more manageable chunks. For example, instead of committing to an hour-long workout, start with just 10 minutes. When motivation wanes, remind yourself of your why. Keep a visual reminder of your goals where you can see it daily. And if life throws you a curveball, be flexible and adjust your routine rather than abandoning it altogether. Remember, overcoming obstacles is part of the journey. With determination and the right strategies, you can push through and achieve your goals. To make a habit stick, integrate it into your daily routine. Start by identifying the best time of day for your new habit. Use tools like habit tracking apps, set reminders, and track your progress. These tools can help you stay accountable and motivated. Make it part of your schedule by writing it down in your planner or calendar. Consistency is key, so try to do it at the same time every day. The more seamlessly a habit fits into your life, the easier it is to maintain. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated and on track. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your routine as needed. This will help you stay flexible and committed to your new habits. Tracking your progress is crucial for maintaining and reinforcing new habits. When you track your progress, you make your journey visible and tangible. This visibility can be a powerful motivator and a reminder of how far you've come. There are several effective methods to track your progress. One of the simplest ways is to use a habit tracking app. These apps often come with features like daily reminders, progress charts, and streak counters, which can help you stay on track and motivated. Another method is to keep a habit journal. Write down your daily achievements and any challenges you face. Reflecting on these entries can provide valuable insights and help you adjust your strategy as needed. You can also use visual trackers like habit calendars or bullet journals, where you mark off each day you complete your habit. This method provides a visual representation of your consistency and progress. Remember, the key is to find a tracking method that works best for you and stick with it. Consistently tracking your progress will not only keep you motivated, but also help you identify patterns and areas for improvement. Celebrate your milestones and use your progress as a stepping stone to achieve even greater success in your habit-forming journey. Accountability can be a game changer. Tell a friend, join a group, or even share your progress online. Knowing others are watching can help keep you on track when motivation fades. Having a support system is equally important. Surround yourself with people who encourage and believe in you. This could be family, friends, or even a mentor who can offer guidance and advice. Regular check-ins with your accountability partner or group can make a huge difference. Schedule weekly or bi-weekly meetings to discuss your progress and any challenges you're facing. Use technology to your advantage. There are numerous apps and online communities designed to help you stay accountable and motivated. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's emotional support or practical advice, reaching out can provide the boost you need to keep going. Celebrate your small wins with your support system. Recognizing and rewarding your progress can keep you motivated and committed to your resolutions. Celebrate the small wins. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your habits will reinforce them and keep you motivated. Just make sure the reward aligns with your goals. For example, if your resolution is to get fit, treat yourself to a new workout outfit or a relaxing massage. If you're aiming to read more, reward yourself with a new book or a cozy reading nook. Remember, the key is to choose rewards that support your progress and make the journey enjoyable. Keep a journal to track your achievements and reflect on your growth. Share your successes with friends or family to build a support system. 2025 can be your best year yet if you approach your resolutions the right way. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. Remember, every small step counts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on personal growth and productivity. Let's make this year the year you finally stick to your resolutions. Together, we can achieve great things.